Hey everyone, it's Omar Lakhani here, also known as Java the Professor. So in today's video, we're going to be learning the Java multiplication operator, and we're also going to be learning two different ways of printing the result or using the multiplication operator that we use in Java. And yeah, alright. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we're going to write int a is equal to 5. Also, please make sure to subscribe as it motivates me to keep making such awesome content for you guys. Alright, so int b is equal to 10. Alright, so this is basically like int a is equal to 5. So we're basically giving like the a and b some random values, and then we're gonna basically add them. Or actually we can just change these variable names to something else, because we've already used these variable names in my previous videos. So system dot out, always make sure the system is as capital, or if you don't, it's gonna give you an error. And always make sure to end like the system.out.println with the semicolon. All right. Now we're gonna write the product. So the result of a multiplication is called product. So that's why we're gonna write the product is, and then outside of the double quotation marks, we're gonna add plus y plus x. All right. So y star x. So you might be wondering what's this star. So the star is actually the multiplication symbol. So y times x. So which basically means that it's 5 times 10, which is gonna give us the result 50, right? But let's try to print it out right now. And yeah, as you can see, it printed the product is 50. And you might be wondering why, like, we haven't even separated it inside of the parentheses like these two. Well, that's because like the Java program doesn't get confused this time, because if you add the plus, like, the Java might think like there are two plus signs, so he might get confused. But yes, the same goes for the subtraction, it gets confused. So for the multiplication, it actually knows that like this symbol and this symbol is different. So yeah, so this symbol, it knows that it is to use it is used to add like a condition, like two conditions or two statements, and this one is to multiply like two variables. So yeah, it already knows, so that's why it doesn't give us the error. So that's why the product is 50. But it's up to you. You can also separate it like 50, like if you have a habit of doing it, so which is very good, because you must have a habit of doing for the y plus x and y minus x, and for the multiplication, but it's your choice. All right, so yeah, with the parentheses or without the parentheses, either way it's gonna give us the same result. Now this was the number one way of doing it the indirect way, but now let's do it directly. So basically, what I mean by that is we remove the int y is equals to 5 and int x is equals to 10. So we remove it, and yeah, now it's gonna give us an error here, of course, because it doesn't know what y and x is. So let's just remove this. Alright, now we're gonna write the both of these conditions like inside of the system.out.println itself, like directly, rather than doing int a or int y or int x, like blah blah blah. So instead of doing that, we can just do it normally. So the product is plus, we can do like 7 times 8. So yeah, so if we do it, save the code and run it, and yeah, it's gonna give us the result. The product is 56, and so we can display any result we would want. And if we put it in between two parentheses, save it and run it, and yeah, it's gonna give us the same result, 56. no matter what technique we use, for example without the parentheses or with the parentheses. And yeah guys, that was it for today's video. So I hope you like this Java tutorial of the multiplication operator simplified. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah guys, have a nice day. Bye.